Hi, my name is Molly and I like makeup. So today I am going to be showing you this pink glittery glam look. If you guys want to find out how to do this, keep watching. I have my base down, so brows, foundation, the powder is minus highlight, and then I don't have my eyes, lips, or highlight done. I'm going to start off with priming my eyes with the Shape Tape concealer. I'm a mess. I never know where any of my makeup is. These two palettes are the best things to ever be invented. And they're so dirty now. I'm disgusting. So I use a lot of these. This look will be entirely composed of these two, but I will be describing like the exact shade of every shadow so you guys like know what it is so you can recreate it if you don't own these two palettes. First I'm taking Tempera. It's this one. It's almost completely gone. It's a really great just all over shade, so that's what we're gonna do to set our concealer. I also, fun fact, never ever buy makeup brushes. So the next shade I'm going to be taking is from Modern Renaissance, and it is, I think it's pronounced Buon Fresco. It's just this like lavendery purple shade, and I'm just gonna dust this really lightly. Like, not, like it's on the upper part of the crease, but not quite near the brow bone. And it's literally just like a hint. The next shade I'm gonna take is basically a little bit of a deeper version of that, and that is Dusty Rose, which is like a mauve-y color. And I'm just going to put that not quite as high, but basically exactly where I just put the other shadow. I'm using this brush, and it is, I think it is the Naked Smoky one. Next, I'm going to be taking probably one of my favorite matte shade in either palette, which is Warm Taupe. Self-explanatory. And I am, again, just gonna put that basically exactly where Dusty Rose was. I'm going to be starting to put it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm basically going halfway in. You don't have to go this far in, but I go halfway in to my lid. So next I'm going to be taking this color Rustic, which is just this brown right here. Any medium brown will work. And I am putting that just slightly lower than the Warm Taupe. I'm using the same brush. You should probably switch brushes more than I do. But up until very recently, like I'm talking within the last couple of months, I would use literally this brush for everything besides like packing stuff on. Like that's it. Like this brush has been through hell and high water with me. Over the bridge, through the woods, and all the way to grandmother's house. We're switching brushes. Where is it? This is apparently a ruby brush. Taking color that appears in both palettes, which is Cypress Umber, this dark brown right here. And I am going to be taking a much more tapered brush like this one. We're going to be cutting the crease, so you just want to deepen out the outer corner as much as you can, and then just kind of start creating a stencil for where we're going to be cutting. I'm going back to my same favorite blending brush, and I am going to just start blending that out. Windshield motions. Next we are going to be taking Noir from, can you see it? Noir from Soft Glam. We're going to be applying that lighter. Definitely use a light hand with this in the outer V and the crease again, but you're going to use, like I said, a light hand, and you are going to do it a lot less than you did with the Cypress Umber. So just kind of, I do like strokes so I can like blend it in as I do it. I'm going to take blending brush from before and buff that in. So I really, because this look is going to be so sparkly, where it is sparkly, I want to be able to have that depth and dimension where I need it. Next, I'm going to take shade Raw Sienna from Modern Renaissance, which is just a really warm light brown. I'm gonna put it more where we put the Warm Taupe towards the center, and then I'm going to be putting it more in the crease so I can kind of like warm it up and bring the colors up a little bit. going to switch to a different brush. This is from the Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking this end, which is a packing brush, and I'm going to put the remnants of what I have of tempera right under my brow bone, just to highlight that. So that's basically the groundwork for the eyes, but obviously we're not done. There's no pink yet. I'm going to do this off camera really quick, but I'm going to line my upper waterline. Next, we're going to do what is known as cutting the crease. I'm going to be taking Shape Tape again, and I'm going to be taking this flat little brush here, which is probably for eyeshadow, but I use it for this. I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush. You don't want to use too much. You can always add more. I'm just going to apply a little bit to my lid, towards the bottom part. See, like that. And then, not look up, but like open my eye really wide. And it kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it, it leaves like an imprint on where it, like, you can fill in the lines basically on where to put the concealer now. Just kind of follow the guidelines. It's going to be a half cut crease, so we're going to stop once you get to the outer third. I like to start by patting in the concealer in the outer third to kind of blend it a little bit more into the eye look, so it's not like a super harsh transition. And now you have this big empty space where we can put the rest of the look. So now's the fun part, the glitter. I'm going to be taking this Naked, oh it's so holographic, Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I don't know the name of the holographic highlighter collection is what it's called. It says on the back. Shades don't have names, but I'm going to be taking this pink one right here. And I'm going to be taking this brush from before and using some Urban Decay setting spray, or if you don't have setting spray, water works, and just spritz in that to make it all wet. Probably use too much. It's fine. Get as much product as humanly possible on this brush and pack that onto the lid and just kind of take it up to where the crease is. Don't go above that. I'm also going to be putting it on the inner corner to brighten that part up and keep with the whole pink scheme, because we're going to be using this as actual highlighter. So we're going to be taking this Tarteist Pro glitter liner in rose gold. It's got a metallic side on one side and a glitter side on the other. I normally prefer the metallic side, but we are going for glitter today. And we're going to start by just putting this in the inner third of the eye, not on the inner corner, but on the inner third. I take my ring finger and I just blend that out. Eventually you should just be left with this glitter, and you can totally just leave it there, but why would you? Why have super extra glitter and not have anything else? So I'm gonna take some black built tip liner. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. Any kind of liquid eyeliner or gel eyeliner will work for this look. And I'm going to be doing a wing. Next, I'm going to be doing under the eyes. And I used to not do makeup under my eyes because I was crazy, but it really does balance all look out. The way I like to do my bottom lashes is I take, or my bottom, that part, I take this very tapered short end of the Naked Smoky brush, and I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown, and I'm just going to be smudging it into my lash line. Then I'm going to be taking a little bit of Dusty Rose, which is the mauve color, and I'm going to be, this is really hard to do while looking in a mirror and also trying to look good on camera. And I'm just going to be blending that out. Dip a little bit into Noir. Just kind of stamp that on the outer corner. Then lastly, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Warm Sienna again, or Raw Sienna, and also dipping it into Warm Taupe for like a mixture, and applying that for a little more warmth. Lashes. I don't apply lashes correctly, so I'm not going to apply them on camera, because why would I teach you to apply them wrong? So just, if you want to apply lashes and you don't know how, just go find a different tutorial. Find lashes that work for you. They don't have to be like these. They can be bigger or smaller, or
These are more cat eye, they can be more like rounded, whatever works. So something I like to do, just because I have giant eyes, especially with lashes and cut crease and glitter and liner and all that, is I like to line my bottom waterline, just because I think that makes it look more dramatic and also makes my eyes look a little bit smaller and less like a cartoon character. I know other people want their eyes to look bigger, and so they do this, and then you can also line your waterline with a nude or a white eyeliner, because that'll make your eyes look bigger and pop more and brighter. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to do black. Now for highlight, I've already set my face, and I like to always set my face before and after highlighter, just to make it a little bit brighter. So I'm going back to the Naked Cosmetics palette and going back. Oh, it's bright! I'm going back to this really pretty pink color. Pink is my favorite color, if you couldn't tell by the room I decorated when I was 11. So I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones pretty liberally. I want to be blind and yes. Cupid's bow. I like to do the tip of my nose a little bit and then just really lightly dust the bridge. So lastly is lips. You can go in a wide variety of directions for lips. I'm gonna show you two if you want a more wearable look with this, which it's totally wearable. This is something I would totally rock on an everyday basis. I'm going to take the Too Faced Melted Matte in, was it gonna tell me? I used to work at Macy's at like the makeup counter, so I got this for free, but it's just like this and like a pinky nude. So I totally have ponytail indents, but this is what the look looks like without lipstick. It's very wearable. This might be slightly dark, just kind of what I pulled out the other lipstick I wanted to use. I couldn't find. It happens. If you want a look that's more glittery, glowy, and pink, I have that too. I just take this off somehow without makeup remover. For the second lip look, I am going to be taking the Naked Cosmetics. Can't see, it's so bright. I love it. We're taking the same pink color that we've been using. I'm going to take this gorgeous sparkly pink and purple brush that I am obsessed with. It is from, oh, I can't read this, fuck. Glam? Something Glam. Cupid's bow and down. And then I'm just going to be dusting my lips. I might have put on a little bit too much. I'm going to be taking this pretty Vulgar metallic lipstick, and it's not a matte metallic, more of a like lipstick or gloss kind of. And this one is called My Lips Are Sealed, and it's this super pretty pink. So I'm just going to put that over the highlight. Yes! Then I'm just going to be taking the highlighter again, going over the Cupid's bow, and then a little bit on the bottom, just for a super glitzy lip look. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more, I will be making more. If you want to follow my Instagram, it'll be down below. If you want to subscribe or like or comment nice things, do that. Yeah. See you guys next time.